How to log out from Amazon shopping app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can log out from your Amazon shopping application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if I open my Amazon shopping application here, you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. So what if I actually want to log out now? Well, to log out also it's pretty much a similar process. After you are logged into the Amazon shopping app, just tap the three lines icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then over here you'll find this option called settings from the very top of the screen. Just tap on it. When you just scroll down to the drop down menu of settings, here you'll find a little button labeled as sign out. So you want to make sure to just tap the sign out option here. It'll ask you for a confirmation, so just tap the sign out option and then you'll be successfully signed out from Amazon. This way you can sign out from Amazon shopping app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.